Just drove 3 long hours from Boulder, Colorado to Quandary Peak, trailhead, where we watched a Tesla have to get dragged out by a Jeep. We're gonna be skiing Quandary Peak, which is a Colorado 14er. It is supposed to be a safe line today for a high avalanche day, but they got lots of new snow, so we're hoping that it's not all blown off the top of the mountain. Kind of scared it's gonna be really cold and windy. All right, let's roll. There it is right there. There's kind of 2 things today. One is to get redemption from the last Colorado 14er that we tried to do. So rudely got rejected by the wind. It'll be a second attempt to conquer a Colorado 14 on skis. And then the second thing is, gotta do some altitude training to prepare for some exciting stuff coming up, where I'll be above 10,000 feet for a very long time. So I can say right now, it's gonna hurt a lot, because this is already hurting a bit. What we got there?
Dilla. Big Dilla energy.
Huge Dilla on this guy. Bro, how's your hat staying on?
Magic. I picked the wrong day to forget my windbreakers.
How is Stoke right now?
Honestly, I'm on the upswing.
Yeah, I think so.
The calories are hitting.
Agreed.
Way up here.
Stoke is high. Let's see how that is in 1,000 feet. We've got about 1,000 feet to the summit, and then we're gonna ski the East Bull Quandary, which is right there. Very obvious. Really warms my heart. We're not the only ding-dongs out here, but then we got company. Peak is right there though. Summit is so close. Not even hungry for a summit because of all this wind I've been eating. Oh my god. Straight ice field. Summit of Quandary Peak! Woo!
Tiring though.
Dude, I know. Skiing at 14K. Yeah, look at that turn. Have fun, bro. Whoa. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god. That is so grabby. You! No! Yeah, ride my back seat! Good shit. That's hard. This would go an instant. It was over 30.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Dude, let's get the fuck back. That's like probably 3 feet deep. Probably you saw a video, remotely triggered a probably D1.5 wind slab avalanche. It's probably 2 feet at least deep. Yeah, scary because we were definitely gonna go right over there and ski it right before it got remotely triggered. It was low angle terrain. We checked the topo right before we were gonna drop, and it says under 30. Upon looking back at it, it's clear that we underestimated just how little over 30 degrees it takes to actually cause an avalanche. And it's true that it was a very small spot that was over 30, but it was clearly enough to cause what was a pretty massive avalanche, which could have had some pretty severe consequences. So if anything, it's a learning experience going forward that hopefully won't make the same mistake and underestimate the terrain like that. All right, well, we made it back to the car. We're all kind of a little bit shook up after that scary avalanche that we remotely triggered. This might be the hardest part, actually, is getting out of the parking lot. That was Quandary Peak. It took us about 4.5 hours, 3,500 feet, and I think we might not be leaving here just yet. We are stuck. All right, peace. Made it out, baby. That's where we came from. All the way up there.